Here's a 2018 Ram 2500. If you're wondering whether your truck can handle the load, it's time for this 2500. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, external memory control, 3 USB ports, manual tilting steering column, forged aluminum wheels, active front anti-roll with driver control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V8 engine. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.